Hey everybody, Pastor Padron here. I am going to be opening this tin of Pesse Canoe Oriental Flake for the very first time and letting you guys know what I think. Pesse Canoe is a brand by a company called Gladora. They are based in Izmir, Turkey. They grow and ferment and pack their own tobacco there. So all of this tobacco in this tin is from Turkey that they grew themselves and packaged in this tin. So let's open this up and find out what's inside here. Let's see. Looks like it's a pop top. Yep. So the tin opens like that. It's got a hinge on it and sealed inside like that. Let's open that up and let's see what we got. Oh, look at those wide flakes. See that? Yeah, that looks good. Oh, it smells beautiful. This is a blend of Virginias and Orientals that they grew themselves. And let me pull out one of these flakes and see what it's like. There you go. It's a nice, big, thick flake. Probably a flake could fill 2 medium-sized bowls. Let's take a flake of this and pack it in my pipe here. The moisture content feels pretty good. Let's light this up and see what we got. This is my first time. Well, first off, I'm really impressed with the flavors here. There's some fig and spice and a floral note from the Orientals. It's got a nice, smooth, creamy feel to it on the finish. There's a pleasant spice in the retrohale. There's some citrusy notes to it as well. The Orientals are cedary, spicy, a really nice, very noticeable floral component, not just in the room note, but on the palate as well. It's got a pleasant sweetness to it.
Hey!
Lots of nice smoke. Almost a kind of a lemony cream kind of flavor from the Virginias, along with figs, maybe a little bit of raisin note in there. You mix that with the floral and wood and little spice notes from the Orientals, and you get something really special here. Yeah. Pesse Canoe's Oriental Flake is a nice medium-bodied Virginia Oriental Flake. It lights up well. Well, that was fun. Not the same bowl. Gladora's Oriental Flake is a very nice medium-bodied blend to me, especially if you enjoy Orientals in and of themselves. This is a very Oriental-forward blend. You can certainly taste the Virginias in there, but they're much more in the background. Those spicy floral notes, woody notes of the Orientals are really the major players in this. A very pleasant flavor profile. I've definitely enjoyed smoking this. The room note is great. Well, after 2 bowls of this tobacco, I can say that Pesse Canoe's Oriental Flake has Pastor Padron's seal of approval and is not just blowing smoke. Excuse me while I finish enjoying this bowl. You enjoy the rest of your day.